Alright guys, in today's lesson we are learning how to simplify algebraic expressions. Our objective is I can simplify algebraic expressions using addition in one variable and recognize equivalent expressions. Looking at number 1, it says Alan, Bruno, and Peter each have $B. Find the total amount of money they have together. So if we know 3 boys have B, which equals amount of dollars, and we're trying to find out how much money in total they have. So we have 3 boys and they each have money. We're going to represent B as the dollars. So if we have Alan has dollars, plus Bruno has money, plus Peter has money, and we're adding because we're trying to find out how much money in total they have here. We can also represent this expression if we want to simplify it as 3 times B, because there's 3 boys, 3 B's. And we're just trying to find out how much money in total they have, and B represents dollars. We can also simplify it as 3B. And this is also multiplication, 3 times B, and 3 in this situation represents our coefficient. Moving on to number 2. It says simplify A plus 2A. So if we have 1A, plus it says we have 2 more A's. So we can add 2 more A's because 2 is multiplying by A. This can be simplified to 3 times A, or it can simplify even more to 3A. Again, this is our coefficient. And these A and 2A are considered as like terms. Because they will share the same value of A. If we had written this expression as 2A plus A, we would still have A plus A plus A, which would give us 3 times A, because there's 3 A's, which would be equivalent to 3A if we wanted to simplifying it even more, because we want the simplest form. This answer is the same as this answer. So both 3A plus 2A is equivalent to A plus 2A. And they are considered as equivalent expressions. Moving on to practicing. On number 1, it says simplify A 2A plus 3A. So if we have 2 A's, 2 times A which is 1, 2, so we're multiplying 2 times however many a's, plus 3 times a, which would be whatever a equals times 3. So now we have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a's. Looking at part A, it says simplify 3a plus 2a. So we have 3 times a, which would be 1 plus a plus a, plus 2 times a, which would be a plus a. And in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a. So number 1, part A, and number 1 are considered as equivalent expressions. And the number in front is considered as its coefficient. Looking at number 2, it says practice a plus a. So we have a plus a. So we have 2 a's, which we can simplify to 2a, which is 2 times a. Because we know we have 2 a's. Moving on to number 3, it says simplify 2a plus 3a. So how many a's am I going to write out? Go ahead and write it down, pause the video, and then come back and we'll see if we have the same answer. So we would have a plus a plus a. We have 3 a's. And 3 a's we could simplify to what? 3a. Looking at number 4, it says simplify 2a plus 2 times a plus 3 times a plus 4 times a. We were to simplify this, we would have a plus a, because 2 times a, plus 3 times a, which would be a plus a plus a, plus 4 times a, which would be a plus a plus a plus a. Go ahead and pause this video and write your answer and come back and we'll see if we got the same answer. And our answer would be 9a, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 a's, and we're multiplying 9 times a.